went through too much. Yeah, I'm covered in. I was thugging it. I was just loving it. That's for the muffin man. That's for the other bitch. That ain't for you now. That's for the.
No.
So we're making a Nepali dish. Mommy, what is this called?
Aloo chop.
Aloo chop. Boiling in low heat. You guys see how it looks? Oh. So we convert this into this, and it goes right here on the frying pan. This right here is potatoes, onions, dhania, garlic, salt, masala, and some more secret ingredients that my mom uses. So how long do you boil this for, mommy?
Until it comes to the golden color.
Alright, so you gotta make sure this is golden. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. We're gonna show you. Alright, you can start. Check if it's golden. Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Looks really good. Can't wait to have some. Woo!
What's her name?
See how it looks?
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah. Eat there. There is your.
So this is the tasting of aloo chop. Steaming hot.
This is good. Ketchup? It's so good. Oh my god. So good. You guys should eat this. With ketchup, it tastes so good. Oh my god.
YouTube about why they're taking my video down, why I'm not making money even though I'm making videos.
It's so good.
Despite all this, I was still trying to pump video down.
How would you rate it?
Every
1 to 10?
I was picking the camera up and putting on
10.
my face, felt like everything.